My chili plant, currently it is having a pest attack, especially with the monsoons around. So today I'm going to show you how to deal with these pests attack on a chili plant. This technique what I'm going to show you is especially works for a chili plant very well, because usually the spraying technique works well for other plants, but what I have seen is that the spraying technique does not work with the chili plants that well, and the pests keep coming back. Like every second day I see pests on the plant. So it doesn't, the spraying technique doesn't really work well for me on the chili plant. So what technique I'm going to show you today is what works well for me, and I wanted to share it with you all. So first we'll see what are the ingredients that are needed for the treatment of this pest on the chili plant. We need hand soap, Listerine, mustard oil. I'm going to use mustard oil, but you can also use neem oil or til oil if you have. I've used til oil also and I've got the same result. And 1 small cup of water, and the most important ingredient is the cotton swab. So let's see how to prepare this mixture. So in 1 small cup of water, I'm going to take a little bit of mustard oil. So roughly about 2 drops of mustard oil, Listerine, about 2 drops, 2 to 3 drops, even 4 drops will be okay. And this is hand soap. About a drop of hand soap. I'm going to take this cotton swab and dip it into this mixture and make sure that it all blends well. The soap is going to help the oil to mix well with the water. So now we have this mixture ready. So now let's see how to apply this mixture. So dip the cotton swab well and then squeeze out all the excess of the mixture, and take the infested leaf. For example, this leaf is infested here, and you have to gently work on the infestation, very gently. If you don't be gentle, then you might damage the leaf. So that's why you have to gently work on this. So you see all the white stuff, after the white stuff gets removed, there's a black residue which remains. This is the one that is very difficult to remove. Spraying technique doesn't work. This stuff stays on the leaf, and with this kind of technique you have to gently remove all this black residue on the leaf. So gently, very carefully work on the leaf. So now you see how the leaf is free of all that white as well as the black residue, and you leave it as it is, and don't spray anything on it, nothing. And then what you will see is the pest attack will not return very quickly on the plant. I've seen, and even if the plant gets the pest infestation again, the frequency of pest infestation reduces. Like maybe in a couple of weeks the pest attack may come back, so you have to keep a watch on your plant. And I have seen that this technique works like a charm for the chili plant. Also, another important tip for the chili plant is keep good air circulation, because good air circulation makes sure that the pests don't attack this plant. So I hope you liked the video, and I hope you guys will try this technique, and hope it will work for you. Thanks for watching.